Of course, everyone has their innate characteristic. Some are spoiled, some are perfectionists, and some are passionate and even happy to have dreams. And of course, everyone wants to be successful with the provision of their respective innate characteristic. However, not everyone has success in achieving their dream, in addition to the influence of educational factors. Innate trait or mental health also have an effect. Some people are pessimistic to success and far from it, but some others are successful in all fail. Here's the mentality we must have and the success and wealth that will come your way. Optimist. A person with optimism has optimism for their entire life. They do not wish to suggest giving up. To make it even better, they are continually working to increase their skill and knowledge. Anyone with good judgment will be able to determine whether they can successfully gain anything when trying to do so. They did not stop in the middle of the road despite every obstacle. A person who has an optimistic attitude on life will consistently enjoy a nice life. A positive outlook will make it simple for you to accomplish any goal. Do not wish to grovel. Begging is excellent since it allows to fulfill our wishes without exerting any effort. This characteristic won't turn into wood, though relying on oneself will make you lazy. It will be tough for you to get wealthy if you beg. You don't want to put in a lot of effort to get great outcome. Your only source of fulfillment comes for other people. You are not always get what you want. You can be viewed as a burden, as a despicable individual. If you want to be wealthy, stop doing this harmful habit. Don't wasting time and money. Having more money typically makes one want to be flashy. They are prepared to spend money on items that are not actually necessities. As a result, their funds disappear in an instant without providing any advantages. When shopping, you must control your spending. Spend money on a necessity, avoid giving into the urge to spend money on an unnecessary purchase. It is preferable to use your money for investment as opposed to spending it on unimportant items. Your financial resource will grow over time in a value if you invest. Enjoy sharing and caring. Don't worry, sharing won't make you poor. Anything you give to someone else will benefit both you and the recipient. The person you help may come back to you with an even bigger favor. Sharing also demonstrates your loyalty and generosity. Being a leader requires having this characteristic. If you are giving and devout boss, your employee will be more motivated to work. In doing so, they will increase the success of the business they work for. Take the opportunities. You have to work your tail off if you want to succeed. To make money, you must seize the available possibilities. Opportunities make achieve success simpler and more effective for you. Consider the chances that are available to you. Take advantage of this chance to conduct business to earn money. The wealthy do not simply possess the rich mindset. You must properly develop that mentality if you want to be wealthy. Applying the aforementioned advice can help you develop a well-oriented mindset. That the more you guess, then farther away. Maybe it applies to some people, but trust yourself. You know more about what you want to achieve, so Start from now on a small step that you can do.